So hello everyone and welcome back for another live trading session. I had a bit of technical difficulty trying to get things going. We had a bit of crashes and anyway, so let's have a look. What on earth is this? Right. Let me just get some final little bits sorted and then we will crack on. Oh my days.
Watch how smart POD sellers turn one design in.
Oh, sure. Right, so let's get cracking. That was very rubbish. So let me just do one final thing and then we can get it moving. Right. Let me just show you guys my screen. Right, so let's have a look on the market, see where they're currently headed. So currently we'll be looking at Bitcoin. Anyway, enough of that. So, first off, we will try and look for some support and resistance levels, just to start kick things off. So, we'll get the thingy out. That's kind of the only level we currently have. As for the support level, we can take a look at, say for example, here, or if we were to go I think that second one seems to be a bit more accurate. So based off of that, we have a pretty strong support and resistance level. We're looking at a 15-minute time frame. So we have a false break here, false break there, false break there, false break there, and then we have 2 of these candles touching that support level. And then as for the resistance level, we've got a candle touching at the end here. So the level is there, it's clear to see. So based off of the current market structure, we could realistically now expect price to maybe come up slightly here and then continue on a downwards move towards that support level. So if we were to enter into the market and, for example, we have a take profit of around 2,124, so we'll go take profit 2,124 and a stop loss of 2,150. That would be a bit too much. We'll do 2,140. Now we need price 2,140. 2,140. That seems about right. So there we go. That trade is in, and now we are gonna wait and see what happens. And then we've got a downtrend forming here as well, by the looks of it. So this ideally looks like a peak. So we have a peak here, or we have a peak. Well, we had a uptrend here, so a peak, low, peak, and then it reversed from that resistance level, as you can see, right at the top, touched it as well, perfect touch, and then it has made that move downwards. And as for Bitcoin, it looks like we might have some, well, currently we've got some consolidation, a bit of choppy price action here, not really a nice indication of where the price is going. We're a bit late in the market, but in about 40 minutes the market does open, so we can keep an eye on that, see where that takes us. So here we have a lucky shot. So we will try and find that 100k prize. So, oh, there we go. Where's one? We've got left. Oh, bottled it. Bottled it. So where have we got? Where are we getting to with Ethereum? It looks like we did make that correct decision, and it's currently on that downwards move. So we might see a little peak forming around here somewhere, just about at our entry level, and then potentially that continuation for that downtrend. So we've got kind of like a downtrend forming nicely here. So we've got a peak, a low, a peak, then potentially a low but a smaller one, and then maybe a peak right around that entry level area. So that's something to look out for. Our indicator, our RSI indicator doesn't really tell us too much as of now. But let's keep an eye on it, see what happens. We've got a bigger reversal formed there. Where are our levels? Where are my levels? Where are my levels? Is someone gonna tell me?
Something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I'll be laying under palm trees, waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this island, wanna be my farmland. I don't ever want to leave. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch up my photos.
So I believe now we might have a gradual downtrend forming. So for Bitcoin, let's draw up some levels as well. Straight away I think we can see one, but it's not that strong.
Tomorrow feels a year away, like the seconds, the beginning and the end. But if in time it yesterday. Your picture's gonna bring it home to me again. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting, half a step beyond our door. Oh, and if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights.
So we have got some confirmation that the support level is actually there, and you know, it's not just some, you know, hoax or something, but I think we might have a bit of price accumulation until we get some more strength, because it does look like we might have a break through that support level. That's just hypothetical. There we go. There's a much bigger move that we wanted to see. It's going to be pretty jumpy for now, like price wise. Look how choppy it is. Up, down, up, down, up, down. That's currently what we're seeing. Very fast paced movements. Like, look at this price movement here. It's pretty big, pretty big. So I mean, we can realistically expect that the price to now even come up to about this kind of level here. So about 68,189 approximately. So we have 68,187. So 68,187. So now we can close that trade as for a market order. And then we can get a long position on Bitcoin. You can see how choppy the market currently is. So we have a peak, and then we have this kind of little block bit, and then another peak. So realistically now we could be expecting another peak somewhere to end around that take profit area. Well, that's not what we wanted to see, but it is what it is. So we've been stopped out by that very, very big move. But we have a very low RSI, so that could be a potential buy area. But it hasn't come, past that resistance level, that support level, sorry. So we've only got 20x leverage currently on, which is not too much. Previously we traded with, I believe, like 50-ish. That price just keeps going bullish more and more. Like currently, we're kind of just trading in the trend. You can see that price movement. So now we can realistically expect the price to come up to that resistance level at the top. And then maybe a little bit of a fake out, a little false break, and then a reversal to the support level. So we're just going to wait it out a little bit and see where that takes us. Got a bit of a slowdown. The market seems to be slowing down. There we go. I think we broke a bit of a resistance level there. believe it was here somewhere. There we go. I believe we're going to get a continuation for that bullish move. We've got a bit of resistance here. It kind of broke through, but I thought there was multiple levels where there's a little bit of resistance. Is this some kind of joke? Very nice. There seems to be a bit of weakness in the buyers at the minute. Sellers seem to be overpowering those positions a little bit, but it has been a pretty strong move, as you can see. We did have a little bearish candle there, so we might expect another one here until we kind of gain that momentum, that power back. I'm expecting a continuation for that, so we're going to stick around and see what happens. There we go. Hello, sir. Hinpaki. That sounds a bit racist, but hello. How are you? Yeah, it does, it does. Me and you for now. For now, it's me and
GoDaddy
just me
has the
and you.
perfect hosting plan for any website.
Bruh,
From
I'm
low
sick of
cost
these ads. I'm kind of losing that momentum. We are losing that momentum. There's a bit of resistance area here, you can see. Reasons to long Bitcoin. Just trading for a key level. So we've got a support level, resistance level here, and a support level at the bottom, and we're kind of just trading within that as it's consolidating. So we took a long position right around here, so we've got a bit of resistance. You can see there's a strong move, a bit of a bit of trouble here. Yes, sir. And then I'm just hoping we see that breakthrough. We had a little bit of one here. You can see it's come up to, there we go, look at that. Boom! Look at that, just smashed, just absolutely destroyed that take profit. Look at that. That's not the one, is it? There we go, this one here. Lovely jubbly. Just refresh it. So, as that just hit, not quite. Soon though, soon. We can actually expect maybe now a bit of rejection. We see we've got a bit of consolidation here, so we might have some trouble getting through. No, not yet. I need some confirmation. I don't really have anything at the minute. I want the price to maybe continue to come up to that resistance level, and then potentially we could see, a little false break, and then we have a reversal to the support level. But for now, we are just gonna, stay clear and see where that goes. I do believe we'll see a little bit of a rejection here. We've got a bit of a key level, and yeah, that's unlucky, bro. That's unlucky. It's been a bit of a jumpy session. Well, I've been half an hour in, but it's been very jumpy. Like you can see how volatile the price is. I mean, look at the size of this candle. We've got a very short body and a huge wick. You can see it by the size of the candles as well. Like it's relatively sharp movements for now. We've got the market opening. Thursday's market opens in literally like 13 minutes, so we can expect something to happen from there. Seems like the price is still kind of in that level. But you see, we had a bit of trouble getting through, and then rejected, and I was trying to, get through that level again. I mean, we've had a bit of a breakthrough here, but I'm not sure if that was just like a paranormal or what that was. Literally. Oh, it's crazy. It's been very, very hectic over the past, I'd say at least a month. It's been, if I could say the word, I'd say it, but I don't want to get into trouble, so I'm not going to say it. Anyways, we had some very, very choppy markets, I believe, last week. It was just my brain was hurting just to look at it. That's how bad it was. So say we go to let's last week. So we're looking at about what, today's the 1st. Well, we can realistically say about 23rd, 24th. I think it was around somewhere here. We didn't have Chop City, literally. That is literally a very good way of explaining that. Let me just find some kind of example, because it was just so bad. I think it was here actually. This area here. I think it might have been this area. It was just like, I was just sat here and looking at it. I was like, what is going on? It's just literally insane. Just, it was horrible to look at. Like, what even is this here? It's like a battery or something. And then I think yesterday or the day before, we had a pretty crazy market movement that I was pretty shocked by as well. You can see the price movement in this key level at the minute. It's pretty steady, but it is, you know, it's there. Sad part is, as we sit on the screen, we find levels and then trade, and then it goes wrong and it tilts us. Literally, the amount of times everything's good, everything looks fine, like you're in a trend, your levels are there, you know, and then we have some kind of strange, you know, movement, and then your whole thing is just finished. Aren't you round tripping? I'm not sure what that term means. Can you clarify for a little bit? So we're coming up to that level now. Not really. I'm just kind of, well, currently I'm just trading from these levels. Mostly they do like 3, 4, 5 hour sessions, so I mean, the market is very, very different as to what it was in 2022. So from like 2020 to 2022 was like that golden era where people, you know, expected great things and actually got great things. It was like a golden stage. You know, a couple of my friends did very well for themselves, which was great to see. 68,241. 68,241. So we can enter for a short position. We take profit at around 68k. 68k. And stop loss of, let's say, 68,307. 68,307. I'm shorting, yes, I am shorting. I'm going to put in a limit order actually. So when price does come, I don't think that was my limit order. I did want it to go 68,241. I put 213. 68,241. Let's change it quickly before the price comes back up. Is it going for a breakout? I do believe it might go for a fake breakout. It might. I can kind of see why you would think. We have like a gradual, we have more of a gradual move. Whereas here, it's, you know, it's choppy, it's sharp, and then here I feel like it might be, you know, generating that strength to break through that level. But at the same time, that might not be the case. You can see the RSI's dipped already, so it might not have even had that strength to even come up to that level. I believe we had it maxed out in the 5-minute time frame. No, maybe not. I did have it maxed, but it disappeared. Oh no, it's exactly that level. Yes, sir. I don't want to move that level, you know, that sell limit, and you know, chase that momentum and kind of chase the price around, because then it kind of defeats the purpose of, you know, waiting for that signal and setting it up and, you know, all those things. So yeah, currently just waiting it out and yeah, seeing how it reacts. Yeah, and as for that 2022, yeah, everyone kind of did. Well, everyone did very well. I remember a lot of people were just making silly amounts of money. So you could literally go on any you know website. There was this website called 8 Pro. I'm not sure if you know the website. It was pretty much a website. Let me see if it's still available. Oh, it is available. So 8 Pro was a platform that I was on. Oh no, it's not. 8 Pro will be fully depreciated on 3rd of April 2026. Kindly withdraw all your funds from your account before the final date. So it looks like that app's been, that, you know, is gone. Anyway, 8 Pro, yeah. It used to be a very good platform where you could see a lot of people's wallets. So you could kind of track all of their transactions really. So say, you know, they just made, I don't know, 250k from about $5 of some kind of meme coin or something. Yeah, 8 Pro. It's gone now. Like it's, I think it's fully shut down. I'm not sure why. But I used to go on there quite a lot. I would sit there. I'd just watch people's wallets. Like I found one that was very good. And that guy, he literally put that money in just before that price hit, like just before that price peaked. Yeah, tracking whale wallets. Some of them were actually very big, and it was just interesting to see, you know, like how these people do these things. So, you know, when they build nothing from something and then it's just like a massive profit. So yeah, it was pretty interesting. But yeah, that thing's gone now. It's like fully disappeared. But you know, the wallets that the people were, you know, trading with and the transactions that they had were pretty silly. Degen trading was the best. literally. Like you'd literally see stupid stuff coming in. You'd see $5 or just something crazy, and then the guy's profit was like, I don't even know, $1 million. I think there was something crazy like that. But yeah, that was just an insane time to live in. Like just thinking about that whole concept of, oh, let me just put in $5 or €5 or whatever into this thing, and then you come back and you're literally a millionaire. So there've been many overnight millionaires just from putting maybe less than £10, dollars or euros into some kind of, you know, online coin or token, and then you can live happily. Well, I don't know how happily, but for some people it's very exciting to get that much money. But some people are very stupid with money, so it's a bit of a strange scenario. Now perp trading has been highly stressful. Did you see Siren? No, I don't think I'm aware of what that is. Yeah, there's a lot of like sketchy stuff, you know, going online with the all these projects and I mean, it is what it is. It is what it is. It is what it is. What has happened now? It's kind of just stopped by the looks of things. Pippin, Siren, I'm not sure, let me have a look. Coin Gecko, Pippin. Yeah, it's crazy now. We've got like these, like they've got all these AI bots and stuff now. I made a video about it a couple of days ago, where they are potentially putting AI robots into the market, where they can trade, I think it's like company stuff, which is pretty scary. And I made a video today about Bitcoin. Like it's in a pretty dangerous spot, where in the upcoming years or so, hackers or people can have some kind of I don't know, it's authority, or they can kind of get into your transactions and just kind of sweep your whole account. So if you want to check that out, make sure you do. Very interesting video. There we go, that price has come back up. So we're currently just waiting on that price action to go right back down. And as you can see now, that candle has perfectly confirmed that that level is there. We had a couple more candles confirming that level, I believe. Might have been in the higher time frames, I'm not too sure. But what is going on? 0.651, there we go. I believe it's best to maybe put that higher. So let's say here, 68,352 or not, because if we were to go past these previous little peaks that we've got here, then if we were to go past this previous peak, then we would most likely be in for a reversal. But I don't think that's the case, as a price does look like a fake breakout, but it has come up slightly higher than the previous ones. Now what we'd like to see is a nice reversal. We could see like a stronger side for the sellers. I think we had a little map. I'm not sure how you do it again, but there was some kind of button I pressed last time, but I forgot where it was, where you can see the exact amount that was coming in from both sides. About 5 seconds left for that candle to form. Cooked. That is pretty crazy, look how high that went up. I mean, I'm not really liking what I've just seen, not gonna lie. I'm not liking what I've seen at all, if I'm being completely honest. Oh, there we go, let's have a lucky shot. Let's have a look. Boom. Bruh. More skill points. I need to get more skills. So we've had a look at Bitcoin, Ethereum. We could expect a push maybe to this previous peak here. And then what can we expect from there? Maybe a reversal. Maybe, maybe not. Just gonna wait around a little bit just to see where that price ends up going. got some resistance at the minute. So we'll see where this trade goes.
You're watching a toothbrush play Billie Eilish. But did you know that there's a YouTube Music app where you can also listen to the EDM version?
Get away from this, baby, just back. Just this night, please call me back. Get away from this, baby, just back. Just this night, please call me back.
guys are also wanting to trade, if you're looking for a platform to trade on, then make sure you check that link in the description below. It will take you to Everdex, which is the platform I use on a daily basis, which is very, very interesting and easy to use. So make sure you have a look. Ethereum's looking very choppy at the minute, not gonna lie. Not much movement for Solana, and Doge, not too predictable. So the price has slightly come above our level. It's kind of, I don't know what it's doing right now. So we'll wait and see where that price ends up going. So price has kind of continued with that movement. It's broke through that previous high as well. So realistically we could expect a move maybe even up to 70k. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Oh, look at that.
GoDaddy has the perfect hosting plan for any website. Every plan comes with a 99.9%.
Are we going to get a bit of rejection? Are we going to get a bit... we might do. But it has come up to this previous peak here. So I believe we'll get another retest for that price. We'll get a retest for that price, I know we will. There we go.
Watch how smart POD sellers turn one design into 10 different bestsellers using Kittle.
might actually see a peak forming, so we'll get a retest for that level that we couldn't previously break through. And now I believe that retest will be on the way. So I'm going to test that resistance level again, see if there's some kind of weakness in it.
Hey creators, welcome back. Today we're exploring Wave Speed AI, the fastest.
Keep all your game, highs and lows, highs and lows. It's all the same, highs and lows, highs and lows. Keep all your game, highs and lows, highs and lows. It's all the same, highs and lows.
There we go. That's a better sight to see. But are we going to break through or not? That's the big question. Or are we going to get, let's say for example, could have like a trend coming. Very interesting. might potentially be a low for like an uptrend. So we're not gonna move just yet. We're gonna stay as we are. So we've got about 20 seconds left for that candle to fully form. So we'll see where it ends up. And we've had a couple candles, like we've got one here, we've got one here. So this could just be one of those candles. Price has now come back as well, so ever so slightly. But it has lost that momentum by quite a lot, so not looking too good. I believe we might be in for a reversal, not gonna lie. I feel like we might get a low here. That's kind of how I'm seeing this play out. Very interesting. So we have got some kind of resistance level here. Price is struggling to make a decision. But if it does kind of break through this previous low of these candles, then we might actually expect a continuation for that downwards move. And no bottom would be formed. So it does kind of look like that long position might be ahead, and that like bottom is kind of forming. So we could realistically be in for a uptrend up to potentially that level that we have as our take profit. So in a wider time frame, you can see kind of like a bottom forming here, and then potentially would have a bottom forming maybe up here somewhere, with a top of maybe close to this level of 68,636, and then a continuation for hopefully that third peak. There we go. That was a big move. That was a very big move. If that isn't some kind of strength, you know, then I'm not sure what is. And that is not what we wanted to see. Cooked. Very, very cooked. It's not looking too good, I'm not gonna lie. Market structure wise, we're not really getting any good indication of where the price wants to go. Oh, cooked. So cooked. Getting hot just looking at this market. See this? This is exactly the type of stuff I am talking about. Well, now it kind of just looks like an uptrend to me, with me getting stopped out being not too good. Because now what I'm expecting is that price to come maybe up to about here. Up here, and then we come back down. Maybe about here. And then we come back up here. And then we kind of even out here. And then again here. And then we hit that level there. That is kind of what I'm expecting right now. Is that gonna happen? I'm not sure. I'm not too sure. It's looking a bit skeptical, not gonna lie. Or are we going to go for a downtrend? Is that what's happening here? It's looking very confusing, not going to lie. It's getting to that point where we get choppy price action and then, you know, the market's kind of dying down. Everyone's going to sleep. So, yeah. We'll give it a couple more minutes, see where price goes. But in the meantime, we can have a look at something else like Ethereum. Like you see, there's not really much to go off. No trends, practically no. And we've got kind of like we've got a level there, but you know we're still in. Nah, it's not even a level, is it? Like, I can't really say anything, I can't really do anything, otherwise I would talk, I'll be talking a lot more, but from what I am currently seeing, I'm not really, I've not got nothing to say, you know. Market wise, it's very choppy by the looks of it. Even look at the even looking at the indicators, you can see crossovers. It's jiggity jaggedy. There's no, you know, there's no kind of outlook on where the price is headed. Like now, if we do get past this kind of area here, then we can expect a downwards move, maybe even up to this level here of 2,144. I mean, it was taking it in this level pretty consistently. You can see a few false breaks, but nothing too crazy. But now I do think that this is kind of irrelevant, as the price has come outside them levels very drastically in that case. So I mean, as for Solana's been doing very good. Look at that. It's been staying in that level from the 27th of March. So realistically, we could expect a bounce off this support level. Like, it's been staying in the same thing for what, like 3 days at least, 4 days. So there is my limit order set out. It's pretty straightforward to use Everdex. Like, it's a very, very nice platform. I literally use this every single day. So, let me just tell you guys how we set a limit order. Limit order is pretty much, I'm just going to explain what it is first. A limit order is pretty much a market order where you set a limit, and once the price comes to that limit, either bullish or bearish, depending on what you've analysed, that limit order will be taken once obviously that price comes to your desired level. So my desired level is 80.54. So when this price continues to come bearish, right, gets to that level, that order will then be opened for a long position. And then I obviously have my take profit and stop loss set. Stop loss is set to 79.72, which is roughly about 1% ROI. Take profit is 84.25. So the price gets to that level, the order is open, and then we obviously go for that long position. We expect a reversal from the support level, bullish, and then the price gets to our desired take profit, 84.25, and we have that profit. It'll show you how much profit and how much loss, so you can obviously, you know, arrange your risk based on your own market evaluation and strategy. So yeah, if you do want to check out this very nice exchange, then the link is in the description below, so make sure you have a look. If you want to trade alongside with me, feel free to do so. The link is there. So yeah, so you, obviously in this right, oh, you can't see my face is in the way, so there we go. You can see where my mouse is, limit, that is the limit order. And market, that is the market order. Say I wanted to go, I'll put in, I don't know, 100, that would be $100, 100 USD.
The best price guaranteed, with a wide range of cars, which will allow you to have a unique.
So I have 100 USD, and right now, if I were to buy long, that order will be open, and that will be taken, obviously, exactly where I opened it. But it's important, you know, make sure you hit your take, you write down your take profit, you put in your stop loss, so you don't obviously trade and then, you know, lose all your account, which is obviously very, very bad, and that is not what you want to do. So leverage is on the top right of your market. Limit is also same thing, and each future has a different leverage amount. So Bitcoin has 100. So Bitcoin has 100x leverage, same for Ethereum, Solana 75, Doge 20, XRP 30. You kind of get the idea. It's all, you know, it's all here. It's all here for you to see. And then the volume in trading we have here, 119 million. And then, you know, you get the idea. So that's all these statistics there. Bitcoin is up 0.6%, 0.06, sorry. And yeah, it's as simple as that. So I'm gonna quickly nip to the toilet, and I will be back in a few. what's going on. What's popping, gang? Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. What we want to see is that continuation for this downward move. And our buy limit is right here. And the support level is just there. So we are going to wait for that price to come down. Getting closer and closer.
Ricardo, o tema da sua palestra foi impulsionando a próxima geração de resultados com IA agêntica. Vamos?
Shush. we need that price to come down right to our support level. So we're currently just waiting for it to continue going bearish until it comes down to that level. No. It will go down even more, like even to this level. So let's just keep a wait a bit longer for that. I mean, I'm expecting a downtrend, not gonna lie. just based off of the movement that we currently have. So that's kind of what I'm expecting, even down to that level. You see, it's already coming down. Getting closer and closer. Bitcoin is still in that 0.5. It's going down more and more as we speak. So if we do get that price movement down to that level, that would be fantastic. So that's currently what we're waiting for. As you can see, we're pretty close. We are pretty close. So our low currently is at 7.7, so we have got a very, very small way to go. Very small way to go. But that would put us in a pretty good trade as well. You can see the RSI is getting weaker. And we have a very good, very strong level, and it has stayed, the price has stayed and consolidated, bullish and bearish, within that level for about 3 days now, which is very, very good to see. It shows that the level is effective, it's there, it's strong, and yeah, so what I'm expecting now is that I move towards it, and then my buy limit order is set just above that support level. So we're currently waiting on that move. So we are getting more bearish as we go on. Bitcoin, it does look like it's in that bearish downtrend. I kind of see exactly what I'm talking about here. So we have a high, a low here, a high there, a low there, a high there. And what I'm expecting right around now would be a continuation, and the price comes lower than this previous low here, which would be great. So let's have a look on Solana. Look at that, very, very close, very close. So it's at a bottom of 80.73 and our buy limit is set at 80.4, which is very interesting to see. We don't want the price coming up to that previous peak though. That would be pretty bad. I want to see a continuation. That's exactly what we want to see. There we go. So as we can see, the price could not come past that previous peak. Resistance just said no. And we are back on that decline. So that level was exactly, so the previous peak was, I believe, this one. So it wasn't this candle, it was this candle. This candle closed slightly above that candle there, and you see the price kind of jumped a bit above it, but then came back down bearish. So we want to see that continuation towards our entry level. That is for Solana, of course. So we have a buy limit ready to go for a take profit near the resistance level, which is approximately at around 84.59, and our take profit is at 84.25, so it's just shy of that. So all we can realistically do is wait for that level to be hit and the order to be opened. Kinda slowing down, not gonna lie. That price is slowing down. But I feel like we will see a rejection from the support level, and the price will come back bullish. So let's have a look. Let's go, let's go. Look at that animation, it's pretty cool, isn't it? So we are currently waiting for that price to come all the way down.
An AI tutor like me.
No, I do not. See you later. Price go down, hit my level, go back up. What the helly? What the helly? What is this? What is this? What is this? Rubbish. Oh, now we're gonna go for a reversal, okay. Are we? Very nice. Where is it hit? It's kind of hit this resistance level here, That is when price really started going bullish. So I mean, all we can expect now is to come up to its previous peak, and then if we get a rejection, we could see a potential continuation for a consolidation of a bearish move. Some rejection again. You see it slowing down. Maybe we see some squeezing. I'm not too sure, but there's nothing to squeeze off of. Like, I mean, we could, but it just looks like there's nothing to squeeze there, though. So it's like some irrelevant lines. But if we do come to that level, then there is a very, I won't say very, I don't want to jinx it, but judging from the market conditions and what I have seen, I can say we could expect a bounce from that support level and see a bullish move. $79.73. 0.7. Well, let's just say 74. And then we have 84.25. Roughly. It's a 5.85 ratio, which is not too high. You can normally take like 1 to 10 ratios, or it's 10 to 1. Like that's like trading within a trend, because there is a higher probability, and you've got more of like a market well, probability in that case for the price to go in the direction you desire, or the direction you've analysed. Well, desire of the price wouldn't really make sense, as you obviously you analyse and then you make a move based on your analysis. So basing that off of a key level trend where the price stays within, I won't say trend, where the price stays within that key level, you'd expect it to carry on bouncing within that level, unless you have some piece of info or something that might change that whole outlook and situation. So it's kind of just consolidating at the minute. Relatively no market movement whatsoever. We're still waiting on that move towards that level. I feel like we've got a bit of resistance at this level currently, where we're kind of struggling, to get through, which isn't ideal, but it is how it is. Relatively no price movement whatsoever. So right around now, we would expect some kind of, break of structure. We're consolidating for, literally from about 20 minutes. Like I've been sat doing pretty much nothing for about 20 to 30 minutes. I'm relatively waiting for the price to come into this level, so we can take that trade on. all we've got right now is just consolidation. We're not really seeing anything happening. Maybe we've got, you know, some like price accumulation, and you know, some kind of just kind of gaining that momentum to go for this level. But if it is taking this long for this level, then that could maybe give me some indication that at the support level we won't get a true break, or it's even stronger than, you know, we anticipate, and it does actually break through that support level. But I doubt that. I mean, Bitcoin is down 0.05% already. Solana is down 2%. So I am expecting for that reversal overnight. So we're going to continue to wait a little bit more to see what happens with the price. Right now we're getting smaller and smaller bodies and even smaller wicks, so the movement is very, very tight. Like it's very tight. I'm getting relatively no price movement whatsoever. We are getting no price movement. Do we have a reversal? Do we not have a reversal? Or is that just price? It's still consolidation though. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 straight minutes of consolidation. Relatively no movement whatsoever. So we've bottomed at 68k, 45, 68, 120. No movement whatsoever. What is it? $80 movement. That's nothing. That is literally niche. That is niche. So I mean, based on however Bitcoin moves, that is what we'd expect from Solana as well. So ideally, I think we want Bitcoin to come to this level. That is the level where we have our support level. That is a support level for Bitcoin as well, I believe. Like, we're not getting any movement relatively at all. So you can kind of see what I'm talking about. It's just consolidated in the same area. Maybe it's generating that price, generating that strength, you know. But currently, there is pretty much nothing interesting happening for me to tell you. Unless we get some kind of reversal, then, you know, we might see something else happening. So for now, I mean, it does seem to be maybe going for a different approach. I'm not too sure. It has come up pretty drastically now though. Maybe it's got that momentum. But it has to go past. It's going to feel some rejection at this place here, this level. So we may even get a straight bearish move right back down. As fast as it went up, it'll do the same down. So we've got about 5 seconds left, and that's it. That candle's finished. So make sure you guys check out the link in the description below. That'll take you to Evidex, which is right here. How can I? Right here, the little planet right here. Yeah, very nice, very good exchange, very simple to use actually. I've been using it every day for the past I don't even know how long. And yeah, you can obviously come on here, you can watch how I trade, and you will very quickly get the hang of how it works. And if you've got any questions, you can definitely ask me, and I'll show you step by step what is where, and yeah. So if you want to use this platform, then make sure you check that link out in the description below. I've got some, you know, it's been consolidating for nearly an hour now, which is kind of, I'm not going to say the word, otherwise I'll probably get in trouble, but not good is what I'm going to say instead. Got something in my eye. So however Bitcoin moves, it's relatively the same kind of idea for most of the other futures. So, oh shit. Okay, I think I'm okay. Right. So currently where it's at, it'll feel a bit of resistance. So we can expect a bit of a rejection at this level, at this current level in time. If not, then it might even push through and continue. You see it slowed down. It'll stay here for a little while. It'll bounce about a little bit. But what's interesting is that it perfectly touched that level. You can see that level is there. You know, it just touched it and it went straight back down. It's kind of like a confirmation in a way. The market has picked up a bit of momentum now. It was very fast earlier on, but now it's even faster. Not looking good. We've relatively got no movement whatsoever, like. We had a look at Doge earlier on. Doge didn't have any market structure. XRP was kind of the same thing. So we kind of stayed in Solana, Ethereum, and USD, and USD. So head's gone. I mean, it is late, but anyway, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana is kind of what we focused on more today. Last session was a little bit different. We spent more time on like Doge, XRP, a bit of Hype, I believe, some Pepe, and yeah. So next session we will mostly try switch up a bit, see what's what. So stay tuned. There'll be a live tomorrow, a very early one. So look around for like 1 p.m. I believe that is Eastern time. Let me just double check. So 1 p.m. Eastern time. Bruh, let me just calculate this. 7 hours ahead. So if I'm looking, say about 6 a.m. Anyway, back to the topic. Live tomorrow, so tune in for that. And as I said before, make sure you check out the link in the description below if you haven't already. Fully see-through, very nice exchange that I personally trade on. So let me know what you guys want to see in the comments below. Gonna have to quit it a little bit short. We're not seeing really any, market movement, but it's beginning to get choppy. It's slowing down. Mostly, it's just consolidating, and yeah. So we'll kick it off fresh tomorrow and see what's what. So, as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see